Alright, so let's go ahead and start this breakdown here. Let's look at YM. So YM super bearish since yesterday. Actually moved a lot. Pretty much reacted all the zones that we pointed out during our market breakdown. I had mentioned how, number one, we have to fill the gap. So we did that on Sunday already. And then I mentioned how we're most likely going to retest this trend line from underneath, decide whether to go into like this and bounce off of it, keep going down, or go back into like this trend. Looks like it did bounce off, and I mentioned how it could come back down to retest these zones here. That's exactly where it is now. Look to the left, we have all of this here, so it kept this up for a long time. So literally reacting everything to the T. Right, so let's go ahead, go to the smaller time frame. On the smaller time frame, you can see clearly bearish structure. Right here we have obvious setup where we have New York, pre-market New York lining up here, lining up with London low. So I would be taking my sells right here. Go ahead and just put that in the chat already. Oh, I gotta go ahead and send them already now. Okay. And then with buys, I'm not really seeing any setup, like any good entries with buys. Nothing's lining up with any previous session high or lows except up here. But I mean, this is like super far. I doubt we would even get put into it. So really the only buys I would take probably right here. Have this mid zone, so we're getting confirmation once all of this breaks. You break your trend line there and it goes into it. So that's really the only place I would take buys. Copy it. If this starts getting a little closer, I'll take the sells off just to not be put in pre-market. I'm gonna put the buys now already. Is that what I said? 205? Oh, 206. See if we flip here, bearish. Kind of slow again today, like yesterday. How long was it yesterday until we finally got put in the trade? Oh shit. Like 10 minutes? What was our trade? Got put in, yeah, okay, 5 minute. 5 minute candle. Definitely having a hard time breaking here. Yeah, we're definitely rejecting that zone. Yeah, slow again today. I'm actually going to take off my buys just because, again, we're so bearish and there's really no key levels here. I don't want to just put it just to put it. So I'm cool. If it just keeps going up, that's fine. I'm cool with not trading. I'm only interested in these sells, honestly, because everything's lining up for the sells. Bearish structure, bearish in the overall higher time frames, and we have our previous session high and lows right here. There's no previous session high or lows right here. Like, it's a valid zone, but there's no higher lows of the previous session. So same thing would happen on like last Friday or something. Where's Friday? Right here. You know, right here, there was nothing going. Bearish flag. Let me take a look. Oh, like coming from here? Okay, yeah, I can see what you mean. Yeah, if it goes up, I'm probably just not gonna trade today then. Oh, these here. Yeah, I don't trust that breakup. Definitely not really interested in buy there. Again, I'm just sticking with our system. There's no previous session highs here at all. No New York previous. The only thing is right here, and that's definitely like way too high up. You have New York pre-market high up here. That's pretty much it. And if we stick to our strategy is always entering on a previous session high or low, whether it's pre-market, London, Asia, or previous day in New York. That's when we've been the most successful, when we enter on one of those. We just need to flip bearish, get back on the trend. Oh, okay, I see what you mean. Yeah, that looks about right. Damn. Yeah, just lock it. It is what it is. But that goes to show, you see, when there's no previous session high or low, it's better to just not take the trade. Like, don't take it just to take it. Like, yes, there's a zone here, it's valid. We know that there's a midline here. If we look to the left, look, it was a London low a few days back. But right now, price is not reacting to it at all. It does not give a shit about it. I'm just gonna have this little box for the buys up here just to look at it, like just to see how it would play out. But I'm actually not gonna take the buys because that's very high up. You know, I don't want to worry too much about volume, but yeah, that's pretty far away from where we opened. Where's the 930 candle right here? Yeah, it's pretty far away. So could do like something like this, retest or whatever. But you can see we did flip back to bearish, so far this is lining up good. Again, London low, New York pre-market low, midline, trend. It's like what, 3 confluences already lined up. Do we have any news today? No, no news today at all. Look at this huge wick. Yeah, completely rejected. So it's telling me price does not want to go higher. Probably gonna be put into these cells soon. I'm gonna do the same as yesterday, trail the stops pretty tightly. Because, I mean, we do have this clean range here. There's nothing really to the left for a very long time. Weeks ago. But still, you never know. Price could come in, you know, do something like this, whatever, or turn around, who knows. All right, I'm in. Barely have any slippage. That's good. Damn, nasty rejection there. Come on, let's keep going. Pretty slow, so I might be closing here today. 75 points. Okay, there we go. Come on. There we go. Okay, give me a 250 and I'll go break even. Yeah, it's definitely having a hard time. Come on, let's go. Take out these wicks here. Might just go break even early, honestly. Yeah, I'm just gonna go break even early. Fuck it. Risk-free trade. If it takes us out, break even, it is what it is. It's better than a loss. Yep, took me out. Break even day for me. I'm done for the day. Account's locked. Just curious to see how it plays out. Never got to 50 points for me. Oh, it did right here. A little bit. Yeah, whatever. I'll probably play out the move now, but fuck it. I'm already done for the day. I don't want to be staring at the charts right now. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. My accounts are going to be locked. We'll be back tomorrow and do the same thing. And yeah, thanks for joining, guys. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Later, everyone.